Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for WhatsApp download. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the first link, which is the whatsapp.com. So now once you are here, you want to click on the download button at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on that. And once you've clicked on it, you need to wait for it to be downloaded on your device. Okay, so I won't click on this because I already have the WhatsApp application on my device. Okay, so as you can see right here, so once you've downloaded your WhatsApp, you should have this icon on your desktop. So once you have this, just go ahead and click on it and log in your account. And that is how you download WhatsApp on your laptop. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.